about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello everybody, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another makeup video. So today I'm so excited because we're actually going to do a look using the new Gothic Beach palette. This is the newest Jeffree store palette. So excited. You guys check out my haul. I had a Beautylish haul and I've got a whole bunch of goodies, so go check it out because it's pretty awesome. And anyway, let's get started with this. So like I think it was the last makeup look, I'm going to do the eyes, go off camera, do the makeup, do all the things, come back, and then I'll show you the completed look. I think it's a lot faster. I can listen to music while I'm doing my face makeup, and it just is the perfect way for me to do my makeup. So that is what we're going to do today, and I'm excited to try out this palette. So I think what I want for today is a more neutral look, but I want to do maybe more of a dark smoky eye if I can pull it off. I think that would look really cute. So let's see what we can come up with. I've been trying this thing where I use different products like in my arsenal, like all of my old stuff. So I think I'm going to try doing that again today. It's going to be like a challenge. But first, I'm using my holy grail, the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. This is going to be in my makeup kit forever from now on. Love that so much. Okay, so I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the anti-aging one. So I believe this one is meant for dry skin. So if you have oily skin, do not use this one, okay? Do not. I'm usually using my eyeshadow base by Sigma, so this is new for me. I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush and just blend this onto the lid. We're gonna go everywhere here. Okay, so we are ready to start. First of all, this packaging, like, can we just, it is black with pink. I mean, I'm not really a pink girl. I really am not. I really like black and more darker colors, I guess, but like black and like hot pink or black and pale like pink, oh, so pretty together. So now just look at this, like, it's beautiful. Look at all those colors. They're so pretty. The green throws me off. It really, truly does. But I don't know. I think like that would be fun. Maybe, I don't know. Like it's kind of cool. I always look at a palette in quads. That's what I do. So every quad could technically be a look. And again, you can play. I mean, makeup isn't art. You can do anything you want. The sky is the limit here. So I'm going to, there's some of the names I'm not going to name because my channel or this video will not be able to be monetized eventually if I get there. This one I'm going to use is called Don't Be a Beach. It's beach as in sand. Okay. We're going to start there. So I'm going into that one with a Sigma E25. It's a nice blending brush. My first dip into the powder, it is really powdery. So I always use well, not always, but this is a transition shade, just kind of warming up the crease a little bit. Okay, and do the same thing with the other eye. Can barely see this. I see it a little bit. It is a little bit orange toned. It looks like orange colored sand. So this is really just going to help the other eyeshadows blend a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that on, I'm going to go to Burnt Out, which is the next shade up, and then we'll go from there. So that's kind of as orangey as I'm going to go, and then we're going to go to Sandcastle, but we'll get there in a minute. So Burnt Out, again, we're going to put this in the crease, but just a little bit lower, and I'm going to blend up a tiny bit. These shadows are really pigmented. I mean, all of Jeffree's store products are just beautiful, right? Like his shadows are so nice. They're so pigmented. I mean, this one seems to be a little powdery, but really, I don't know if I see that as a negative when it comes to one of Jeffree's products. Okay, I think I need a little bit more on this eye here. I blended it out too good, Sandra, too good today. Okay. There, that looks about right. So now I'm going to jump into Sandcastle, which is more of this, like, I don't really know what to call that. It's not as red as a shade, but it's a bit more pale. So I want to see what that looks like. And it also is a matte shade. Same brush. It is getting darker, so I'm going to tap it off. And I'm going to stick this. Oh yeah, it is. You know what? It looks so pale in the pan, and it actually is quite dark. Kind of like it. Like, I'm not used to doing neutral shadow. This is something I could totally pull off if I had like a day job. Well, I do have a day job. It's looking after kids and my business, but that's not what I mean. I mean, if I had a job outside the home. This is really pretty. I feel like I didn't even have to blend that side out. It just blended so beautifully. So I'm going to pull this down on this lid too here. Now, so much for a smoky eye. I mean, if I put this color all over the eye, it would definitely be a smoky eye. But you know what? I still can. I'm thinking there's the shade right next to this one. This is called Sandcastle. Sunray Slut. Oh my God. It looks similar, but it's a shimmer. So I'm going to put that on the main portion of the lid. How pretty is that? This color fools me. It makes me think it's lighter, but it's actually quite dark. So I'm going to pull this in a little bit more, and then we can start to play with the shimmer. Very pretty. And of course, I always put a pop of highlight on the inner corner. But I like this warm-toned smoky eye. It's really pretty. It's not too dark, which is, you know, usually when I go for a smoky eye, I go for the really dark shades. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in to, I think I'm going to use Burnt Out again. I'm going to tap back into there and just blend out the edges a bit. Blend all around the edges of the darker color here. Got a very light hand here. Just bringing it up a little bit further, I think. Okay, and then I'm going to go into a cleaner brush. No, this is a clean brush. This is like a brand new brush. Same brush, and go back into Don't Be a Beach. And I'm also going to go into, is it Anti-Sunray? So I'm going to dip into both of these shades here. Just a little bit of both of them. Now it's getting a little orange. Okay, and just go over, because now it's getting a little too high for me. It's getting a little too far away. So I'm going to tone it down a bit, and I can always use powder to do that as well. Okay, go back in with that original brush, and oh, I love these colors. Just going back into Sandcastle, and I'm going to darken this up again, just this outer corner here. Okay, and now I normally would go into my finger for a sparkly shade, but I don't want to do that at this point. I'm going to go into Sunray Slut. It's a bit more, I don't know, it's definitely not the same color family, but it's not red either. It's more bronzy, I think. I'm just going to tap it on my brush, just like there, and see what we get here. Definitely hoping some sparkle. And of course, like always, we'll come back after makeup is done, face makeup, and then we will do the lower lash line. Okay, but what we're gonna do is go off camera now, do face makeup, and we'll return, and then we'll kind of assess where we need to be. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are back. I'm mostly done. I'm just gonna set You know what? Let's finish the eyes first because I don't really know if this is what I want. I don't know if I want to add stuff to the lower lash line or not. I'm kind of liking the way this looks right now. I put like a waterline, like I was going to do black mascara, but I kind of like how it looks. You know what I wouldn't mind doing? This, to kind of go with my green shirt that I'm wearing. This is called Parasol Passion. I don't know if it's green or not. It has this green shimmer. It's almost like a black. I want to try that. So I'm going to get this liner brush, okay? It's going to be so weird. I don't know if I'm going to even be able to tolerate it, but I'm going to spray it with setting spray, first of all, okay? I'm going to dip it into the shadow. So this is Parasol Passion. I think it's like a green, but I don't know. I'm going to see what it looks like if I stamp it on the waterline. Yes, I know it's shadow, and yes, I know it's like a sparkly color. And yes, you can feel when you put it on your waterline, you can feel the particles of the shadow, so don't do this if you have sensitivity at all. Okay. Whew. And then what we're going to do is, I think I'm going to stick with the same liner brush because I don't want to scare myself here. I don't know if I'm going to like this. So first of all, this light is shining in my eyeballs and I can't see anything. I'm going to attempt, I'm going to get fallout here. I was going to stamp it on the lash line and just see what color it turned out to be, but I'm already getting some fallout and I don't want that there. Okay, I have to be really careful. So what I might do instead is take this liner brush and stamp it in the product. Okay, and then stamp it all over the lower lash line, and then we can blend it out as we go. So this is a sparkly color. Okay, so I'm going to take a tiny smudge brush and just see if I can smudge it, because I don't know if I want it that dark and have it that blown out. We'll see here. Maybe. Here, let's just get a fluffy brush and see. Here's another clean brush. I'm going to start to blend. It kind of looks dangerous. It's like kind of scary, actually. Kind of like it. Kind of looks edgy. I think that's the look I'm going for. Because of those little sparkles in there, I like that. Okay, so I'm just dragging it down a little further. And then the edge here, I don't like how it has like a dark end. So I'm going to go back in with one of my brushes and see if I can like tie that in with the brown color somehow, because I don't like it out there. Okay, so I don't know if I want lashes. I was totally going to go for lashes, but I don't know. Another product that I got that I'm going to use in this video is the Beach Proof Eyeliner. I got it in white and black. The black one is called Gothic Beach, and the white one is called Drug Lord. But I want to try the black one. So this is, I'm going to shake it, first of all. It's Jeffree Star Cosmetics First Liquid Liner. Very excited. Let's try it. I'm not going to do like a crazy winged liner. I'm just going to add some to darken up the lash line here. Okay, so that did go really dark really fast, so it does kind of look like a smoky eye look. I like this. It's really nice. I needed another liner. Okay, so I need another clean brush because this area here is really bothering me. So I'm going to go into, oh, I don't know if I want to go into that light shade. We'll see. Just use the brush to blend it out here. Just using a clean brush. And also up here as well, because I feel like I just want a really nice soft blend with no transition lines, basically. Okay, and now we're going to pile on mascara, so I will return in just a moment. Okay guys, I think that's it. I just sprayed myself with some MAC Fix Plus Stay Over. I think I'm happy with the way this went. I wasn't sure the way it was going, but I think I like it. Of course, I can't say enough about Jeffree Star's palettes. I mean, they're gorgeous. You guys, I have almost every single one. This is I have no shame in it. Beautiful. I love this palette. So check out my haul. You guys, thank you so much for joining in today. Mwah. I love you all. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. Click on that bell button. Do not forget, and I will see you next time.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.